Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. The CB1000R appeared in 2019, introducing the new sport cafe concept, which combined a minimalist design with benchmark performance in its segment. The renowned power of its engine 142.8 horsepower with 10.2 Nm of torque. The chassis is equipped with an element worthy of super sport car and a low final weight just of 200 kg dry, make it an unbeatable motorcycle in terms of performance. Handling, which exceeds the expectation of the clientele of experienced motorcyclists, attentive not only the extreme looks but also the overall performance. For 2024, the model will continue to be sold in two versions, the CB1000R in metallic red and the new matte black, and a CB1000R Black Edition version, which arrived in an exclusive and also new matte blue color. Technically, the Black Edition differentiates itself by featuring the quick shifter system, which allows faster gear change without needing to activate the clutch lever. In terms of appearance, the Black Edition version uses a true factory customization with extensive use of black on the wheels, suspension scales, internal tube of the front suspension, the entire exhaust system, handlebar support, headlight, radiator moldings, side covers, and subframes. The mentioned reference dynamic performance is not only due to high power, high torque, and low weight. The technician prioritized the delivery of torque in the rotation range between 6,000 and 8,000 RPM, making the CB1000R engine offer a feel which transforms driving, made up of quick acceleration and speed regain without intensive use of the gearbox. Equipped with 3 standard riding modes plus 1 customizable one, and a CB1000R offers the possibility of selecting different levels of power, engine braking, and HSTC, Honda Selectable Torque Control Traction Control Intervention. Attached to the steel diamond single beam chassis are widely adjustable suspension, inverted front and single link rear, dual channel ABS braking feature radial mount brake caliper, the Econ 310mm diameter floating disc at the front. At the rear, the 256mm diameter disc has a 2-piston caliper. The cast aluminum wheels were 120/70 ZR17 and 190/55 ZR17 tires. Both versions of the Honda CB1000R feature the exclusive HSVC or Honda Smartphone Voice Control System, which allows the driver to connect their smartphone via the Honda Road Sync app and operate the system via button position on the left handlebar grip. Under the seat, a USB port allows you to recharge your smartphone. The panel has a high visibility color TFT display with 4 selectable types of display of engine speed and rotation. The same applies to the indication of fuel level or consumption, selection of riding mode or engine parameters, and gear indicator. Preferences are managed via button on the left handlebar grip. Pricing for the Honda CB1000R at 78,870 Brazilian reals and the Honda CB1000R Black Edition at 87,730 Brazilian reals.